My intuition is my best advisor. I trust my gut feeling. I trust my inner voice. I am balanced and in harmony with the universe. I live in a safe, loving, supportive world. My emotions are the compass I use to direct me along my life path. My thoughts and feelings are fully under my control. My inner peace remains unaffected by outside circumstances. I master my emotions by changing my thoughts. Whoever I meet today, I trust that they are the best people for my growth and the best opportunities for my soul's full expression. The universe supports me in every way. My heart is spacious enough to hold everything I feel and everything I am. I know that I am important to the people around me. I surround myself with people that bring me joy and comfort. I have a right to have my feelings seen and heard by the others. I respect other people's feelings, even though they are different from mine. I feel safe sharing my authentic self with those around me. Every emotion I experience brings me great self-awareness. I allow myself to express my feelings when appropriate and healthy. I am sensitive to the feelings of others. I am calm and well-tempered in all situations. I allow peace and joy in all areas of my life. I breathe out all stress and apprehension and breathe in peace and well-being. I handle all situations with patience and composure. I am in total harmony with my surroundings. As a member of humanity, I extend my compassion to everyone. I am an attentive, caring person. I am committed to helping build a better world for everyone. Being kind towards others is so important to me. and I exercise kindness throughout my day. Every kind word I express comes back to me multiplied. I am honest with my feelings. I decide how to react to the events in my life. I focus my energy on peaceful, positive emotions. I do not allow myself to be affected by negative outbursts of others. I forgive myself for the past, live happily in the present, and walk towards a bright future. I am free from any grief. I am free from any burden of the past. I always come back to the essences of life, such as love, kindness, and harmony. I accept the others the way they are. I am thankful to the world for holding me here. I am thankful to my parents for giving me birth. I am truly grateful to the universe for everything that I have. Compassion and empathy are integral parts of my consciousness. Understanding other people's emotions helps me establish sincere relationships with them. My intuition always gives me the right clues. I am here to experience the wonder of my own being. I am the very embodiment of love and compassion in all my interactions with the world. I accept all my emotions, but sustain and nourish only the positive ones. I express my feelings with ease and grace. As I forgive myself, it becomes easier to forgive others. My soul is serene and my body is healthy. I create a home full of joy and peace. I live in an environment that supports my goals in every way. I am a sensitive and delicate person, and I perceive the subtlest sensations. The subtle nature of things fascinates me and motivates me to be delicate in my moves, my words, and my thoughts. I treat all beings with kindness and compassion, including myself. I know how to shelter my sensitive spots from the outside turbulence. I know my ways of protection and maintaining the inner peace. And at the same time, I eagerly open my heart to the world, as I feel safe to do so. Opening my heart and uncovering my profound sensations gives my life a whole new meaning. I love living my life guided by my heart, my intuition, and my love for all.